Hello everyone. Today our group will be presenting you the Gordie Howe International Bridge project. This project is an important infrastructure development connecting with the United States and Canada. Our group members are Rama Chaitanya, myself Maheshwar Reddy, Kritika Rajendra, and Pruta. We will walk you through the key phrases, challenges, and impacts of this project. Here, the project initiation and planning part one, like the Gordie Howe International Project was started to improve trade and transportation between the US and Canada. It involves building a new six-lane bridge along with updated border facilities. The main objective is to increase cross-border efficiency and prompt economic growth. The key success factor including staying with budget, ensuring safety and quality, and completing the project on time. The scope also covers constructing new port of entry and connecting roads to handle future traffic demand. And the next slide will be continued by the Ram Chaitanya. Thank you.
Taking on planning part two, this project involved diverse group of stakeholders, including the Windsor Detroit Bridge, authorized both national government and local communities, contractor and trade organization, and each stakeholder a unique interest, such as improving trade, minimizing environmental impacts, and creating a local jobs. Initial risk including funding, uncertainties, potential environment positions, and political challenges. Identify these risks and allow to develop a strategic balance economy, social, and environmental concern for the beginnings. Everyone, and this is Ramchandra Sharma Piratla. This is our group project, Growing Hava International Bridge Airport presentation. Those are my slides of going. So this is my slide, project initiation and planning part two. This project involved diverse group of stakeholders, including the Windsor Detroit Bridge, authorized both national government and local communities, contractor and trade organization, and each stakeholder a unique interest, such as improving trade, minimizing environmental impacts, and creating a local jobs. Initial risk including funding, uncertainties, potential environment positions, and political challenges. Identify these risks and allow to develop a strategic balance economy, social, and environmental concern for the beginnings. And this is by risk registers. This is description of the risk, impact, risk response, risk level, risk owner notes, and execution monitoring, controlling level part one. And we have the project faces several major risks during the execution, including a supply chain description, labor shortage, and unexpected cost escalation. And a risk register helped in a team prioritize major these challenges, ensure the mitigation strategies were put in place. Top five risks including construction delays, cost overrun, environmental completion issues, political changes, and options. The regular updates to the register allow to the project manager to risk dynamically maintenance progress despite unforeseen obstacles. This is we have give some note on a table. It's ID, descriptions, impact, which is an four or five scales of a construction delay, push project, high project management, sunshine climate, cost overruns, increases, and we have some notices too in to building of this one. Thank you.
Hello, myself Kritika Sheelar. Today I'm gonna explain you about the execution, monitoring, and controlling by the table given below. Shows the difference between event owners, purpose, medium, and audience. So, just a small brief. Due to binary nation of the project, communication plays a critical role in execution. The project team develops a communication plan that outlines who receives updates, how frequently, and through which line channels. Uh, Weekly meetings, monthly hold updates, and quarterly reports to government agencies ensure consistent information flow. This communication strategy minimize misunderstanding, aligns expectations, and build trust among stakeholders on both sides of the borders.
Hi everyone, my name is Pratha Vakela. As my classmates already covered the execution and monitoring part of the project, I'll be talking about the project outcome. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is considered a success overall, even though there were delays and challenges. It achieved its main purpose, strengthening trade between Canada and the US and meeting long-term transportation needs. What made it stand out was the strong collaboration with stakeholders, good governance, and effective communication. The team was able to manage waste supply delays and cost overruns by addressing them early and keeping everyone informed. That's what helped the project stay on track and showed resilience despite obstacles. When it comes to references, we use two sources. One looks at the project management practices, and the other talks about the community and the environmental benefits. Together, they give us both the technical and the social side of the project. And to wrap this up, I would like to ask you all, what do you think mattered most in keeping this project successful? Was it governance, risk management, or the communication? And do you think the community and the environmental benefits should always be the part of evaluating a big project like this? Please do let us know. Thank you.